5 seconds. Start. So, it has to be considered whether it is relief in taxation which will lead to a reduction of unemployment, or whether it is rising of taxation to the utmost levels which will dry up the resources and channels of capital formation, and thereby not only retard all further development but might also throw the functioning of present industries out of gear. So, my submission is that when the Taxation Inquiry Committee has been appointed, it is only logical to expect that no substantial changes in the taxation structure will be made until the findings of that expert committee are known, until we know the incidence of taxation in the various sectors of our economy. Now, coming to the question of deficit financing, I am afraid that my estimate friend's attitude was so different from the line of opinion in the business and industrial community. Note that we advocate deficit financing for bringing any artificial rise in prices, but the fact is that those who have criticized deficit financing have not suggested any other alternative or made any other constructive suggestion which will bring about necessary development plans. After all, the fact has got to be faced that whatever program we have set out in the national plan should go on unimpeded by any financial considerations. And assurance has been given by the finance minister that so far as financial resources are concerned, he will ensure that the 5-year plan will not in any way be retarded. In this connection, I can only say that deficit financing is one thing so far as the revenue budget is concerned, so far as normal expenses and expenditure are concerned. Certainly, nobody would advocate deficit financing, which might be very undesirable. But when it is a question of doing something abnormal or investing something in productive channels, then certainly some risk has got to be taken, and I think the finance minister has been fully cautious in taking whatever measures he has so far. We know the measures that the government took for contradicting money supply about the end of 1950, and certain other measures adopted which brought about a slump. Also, from time to time, the finance minister did not hesitate to mop up the surplus which, as the records would show, has been about rupees 300 crores during the past 4 or 5 years.